Welcome back to Reference Card, CAA Part 1, a quick and smart guide for easy learning, series number 5.
Previous videos we studied Code of Ethical Conduct for Professionals, Principles and Rules of Conduct for Internal Auditors. In this section, we are focusing on the internal audit ethics integrity in detail. Rules of Conduct Integrity. Integrity is the practice of being honest and showing a consistent and uncompromising faithfulness to strong moral and ethical principles and values. In ethics, integrity is regarded as the honesty and truthfulness or accuracy of one's actions. The integrity of internal auditors establishes trust and thus provides the basis for reliance on their judgment. Integrity is the core value of a code of ethics. Auditors have a duty to follow to high standards of behavior in the course of their work and their relationships with the whether it is be personal or with the staff of audited entities. We have studied in previous video the IAA rules of conduct. Integrity defines that internal auditors shall perform their work with honesty, diligence and responsibility. Internal auditors shall observe the law and make disclosures expected by the law and the profession. Internal auditors shall not knowingly be a party to any illegal activity or engage in acts that are discreditable to the profession of internal auditing or to the organization. Finally, internal auditors shall respect and contribute to the legitimate and ethical objective of the organization. For example, internal auditor is working for a pharmaceutical company that may be inappropriately testing vaccines on animals. If out of loyalty to the employer, no information about the testing is gathered, the auditor violated the rules of conduct by knowingly become a party to an illegal act, engaging in act discreditable to the profession, failing to make disclosures expected by the law, and not performing the work diligently. Now we will see additional guidance on integrity is provided in implementation guidance. Implementation Guide Code of Ethics Integrity. The rules of conduct in the codes are organized based on the principles of integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, and competency. Integrity is the foundation of other three principles in the IAA Code of Ethics. Objectivity, confidentiality, and competency all depend on integrity. The Chief Audit Executive's responsibility for implementing integrity includes the following. The CAE should cultivate a culture of integrity by acting with integrity and adhering to the Code of Ethics. The CAE also establishes policies and procedures to guide the internal audit activity to show diligence and responsibility. The CAE may also emphasize the importance of integrity by providing training that demonstrate integrity and other ethical principles in action. For internal auditors, the best attempt to identify and measure integrity likely involve astute awareness and understanding of the Code of Ethics, rules of conduct for integrity, the IPPF mandatory guidance and supporting practices. For internal auditors, behaviors that may not be illegal but may be discreditable include behavior that may be considered bullying, harassing, and discriminatory, failing to accept responsibility for making mistakes, issuing false reports, or permitting others to do so, lying, making claims about one's competency in a manner that is deceptive, false, or misleading, making disparaging comments about the organization, fellow employees, or stakeholders, either in person or media, for example, in publications or social media posts, minimizing, concealing, or omitting observations or unsatisfactory conclusions, and ratings from engagement reports or overall assessments. Non-compliance with the standards and other IPPF mandatory guidance includes the following: performing internal audit services for which one is not competent, performing internal audit services with uncleared impairments to independence and objectivity, soliciting or disclosing confidential information without proper authorization. Finally, stating that internal audit activity is operating in conformance with the standards when the assertion is not supported by the results of the quality assurance and improvement program. For internal auditors, behavior that may not be illegal but may be discreditable to the profession, overlooking illegal activities that the organization may be tolerate or condone, using the CIA designation or other credentials after they have expired or been revoked. Conformance with the integrity may be demonstrated by the following: a quality assurance and improvement program maintained by the CIA, forms of acknowledgement signed by the individual internal auditors to demonstrate that the internal auditors have committed to follow the organization ethics policy or code of conduct, relevant laws and regulations, and the IAA code of ethics and the other IPPF mandatory guidance. Finally, diligent supervision of engagements and performance of the self-assessments required by the standards to demonstrate the integrity of the internal audit activity as a whole. Conformance with the integrity rules. As mentioned in previous examples, an internal auditor is working for a pharmaceutical company that may be inappropriately testing vaccines on animals. If out of loyalty to the employer, no information about the testing is gathered, the auditor violated the rules of conduct by knowingly becoming a party to an illegal act, engaging in act discreditable to the profession, failing to make disclosure expected by the law, and not performing their work diligently. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on next video.